Yes, it's dark out here. Oh my goodness. This is a new Dollar Tree. I've never been here. Oh, I don't have to open the door. Yes, on that. I was going to say we were all good with the Valentine's, but I haven't seen that sign. What's that say? It's so much glitter. Love you. Oh, love you more. So it's a bunch of those. I love this. This is hanging up in my kitchen right now. Yes, on the bee lights. We may have seen these in the beginning when I first started showing all of this. These are so super cute. I love these lights now. We just saw the ones for St. Patty's Day in the last video. They're so cute. Oh, here's one I feel like I haven't seen, the mushrooms with the snail over there that says welcome. Oh, I haven't seen this blue one either, as happy as can be with the bees in there. Oh, that's cute. Oh, more of the steaks, the mushrooms. How cute are these? All the colors are rocking. The boots, right? We watering some plants, the buggy, the frogs. All of this is so darn cute. I do use the steaks. Yeah, I don't think I'm ready to pick any up though. You know what I'm looking for? These puzzles I keep seeing on Instagram. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Yes, here they go right here. Miss Girl, who am I buying this for? It's just childhood, I feel like. You know, teaching them, what shapes go where and how to count, right? How to tell time. Wait, hold on. And the solar, that is funny. I want these in the cart. Oh yeah, here they go right here. They have them for everything now. So I feel like I'm scanning up and down. Yeah, I feel like we are, Miss Girl, I was about to lie. We not good. I saw jam. I haven't seen these. Oh, for Valentine's Day. You're my jam. Hold on, let me pull them out. So you're my jam and I am cocoa nuts about you. That is funny. These are by Be Pure, coconut milk infused, and this one is strawberry infused. That is super cute. I use the beads, as a matter of fact. I used it this morning. So the blue one, this is the one I use. Feels nice, right? The hyaluronic acid, which helps provide the hydration to reduce the appearance of aging. So yes, on that. It took me like a whole minute to get it open. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I like it. So I think I grabbed this one too. I'll try that. I don't see it here, but remember the roll-on deodorant that I grabbed? Darn, I don't remember what it's called now. In the last video, I don't see it here, but I'm rocking that now too. So far, so good. I am so far from home. And it's dark out, Miss Girl. Looney Tunes, yes, on these. Oh, look at bugs on the back. Yeah, so that's rocking. Gabby's Dollhouse is back here. Bat Wheels. They're cute. Yes, so apparently I needed to travel. The vapor stick, you know how long it's been? Between the vapor stick and the vapor inhaler, they got them both. I feel like because we picked these up some more, right? In the last one, I'm gonna grab a couple of these too so I can rock them both. In the cart. Remember those hauls? Oh my goodness, it's been so long, but they were sugar-free. Wow, they like came, it was one time, right? And I've never seen them again. Oh nice, we just saw these too. This one is fully stocked. None of them have been taken out of here yet. So all the colors, remember I was saying I don't see the colors on them, but I guess the color of it is the color. So yes, on these, Kiss for Keeps. Here are these again. Here's a beige and a natural. I don't think this was the one we saw last time, but I can't be 100 on that. But those two were here. Oh, look at these down here. That is cute. Makeup Blender Duo. This is Alice in Wonderland. Oh, that's super cute. What's this one? Oh, it's the Kabuki brush. Yeah, so that's rocking. This is so darn cute. I guess because, the playing cards. That's why. Is that it? Miss Girl, no. I was about to get up off the floor. And then here's another duo. These are so funny. I think I'm going to grab this one. It's cute. In the cart. Here we go. Be Pure with the pressed powder for acne-prone skin. Clarifying, that's what it says. This is the color tan. Hold on. Tan and fair, those are the only two I see, so that's rocking. So I haven't seen these in a minute, I feel like a long time. The brownie brittle, chocolate chip, these two right here. I think I'm gonna get these in the cart. So here's Minnie. Yeah, this is a bath bomb. Those princesses I saw, they were shower steamers. Darn. Oh, here are these shower steamers. I finally used the lavender scented one. At first when I pulled it out, I wasn't really rocking on the smell. It definitely was not strong, but it didn't take a long time to dissolve. So I don't think I'll grab it again. I only used the one. I'm gonna use this last one, and then I think I'll be done with it. So no, back in the box. Oh, look at Goofy. I feel like this is the first time I've seen him. And Pluto, why is he so angry? So those are here. What's these, like Doritos? Or, that is funny. Mario, Pringles, Mike and Ike's, Hawaiian Punch. I'm just scrolling slowly. I see the Minions. Bob Ross, he's still rocking. Oh my goodness, they're so darn cute. Look at him. I cannot. That is so funny. I have them on now. I have the low-cut ones on that I grabbed. That's funny. I showed hubby before I left. Look at my socks. All right, I think we good. Y'all probably like, Tish lying. No, I'm not. Look. Rocking my Eagles too. Yes. Oh, you better stop it on that. I don't think I've ever heard of bourbon barbecue manwich. I'm gonna get a can and see if hubby wanna rock in the cart. Yes, I love these so much. It's only 2 boxes. I'm gonna grab them both. Yes on that in the cart. Duetto cookies with chocolate flavored filling, that's here. The fudge mint, right? What are these? Chewy bars, 9 grams of fiber, oats and chocolate strawberry. It's only one here. That's semi-open. You know I'm not grabbing this. I would have tried that though. Darn. These vanilla wafers, every time I look at them, I want banana pudding. Oh, wow. Remember? These were out a while back, like a while back. You know I never saw the two-tone, right? The chocolate and the vanilla together. That's so funny. So yeah, they have them here. I don't know that I remember seeing a red velvet cookie mix. Maybe. They have so many. It just stood out to me. I guess because of the whole Valentine's Day thing. Yes, on Barbie, remember? I think it's 2 different ones. I think. Yeah, I feel like I had grabbed the 2 different ones before. These are all the same though, but they're back. It's like I really have to pay attention to the prices. Like $3.25 over here, but these are $1.25, and I don't remember seeing Nordic, and they have every single thing in this Nordic Air. So it fits the Glade Airwick. So yeah, yes on that. So that one, and then these are $1.25. Fireside Joy. Yeah, oh, it's a scratch and sniff. Hold on, with notes of amber, cedarwood, and tonka. That's probably gonna be fire. Let me see. Yeah, I like that. So I think they go in the Airwicks, right? I feel like. So that one, the crisp green apple is rocking. Scented oil refills. And then the pink peony, which is probably going to be a hard no for me. But that is here, these 2 packs. So yes on that. This one is okay. I'm just not a fan of peony. And the crisp green apple, fire. Oh, I just put these, I bought one because I wanted to see how it was going to rock. I put it in the coat closet. So yeah, it smells nice. Let me grab a couple more. In the cart. Oh, see, this is new to me too. It's this Homeline scents, Cascading Waters. This is a different, yeah, Homeline and Airwick, it says. So yeah, let me see what this one is. Hold on. Oh, that smells nice too. I don't see any more of them though. Oh, nice. I just made my overnight oats in this. Miss Girl, they're so good. Oh my goodness. Even far away from home, Disney not rocking over here. Let me see what's in my cart. Okay, yes, I'm excited. They are so good. So I grabbed some more of these. I grabbed one for you. I grabbed some more vapor sticks, the puzzles, because I don't make no sense, right? The brownie brittle. I have never even heard of this, so we have to rock that. I grabbed this because it's so cute. I grabbed one for you too. And I grabbed you this pressed powder. And that's it, right? All right, I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Bye. I grabbed this no talking button already. It's on the island. I push it every time hubby say something. Party coaster game night. 8 games, endless fun. Oh, that's cute. I don't think I grabbed this. And what's this one back here? Family night coaster game. Oh, these are fun. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these. All right, bye.